Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add different custom tabs for each product with different content or text using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add different custom tab for different product. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write custom product tab for WooCommerce. So this is plugin custom product tab for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, scroll down on left side you see custom product tab. So click on it. Now tab section open. So you can create new tab according to your requirement. But we are going to create different tab for each product. On left side you see product. So click on all product. Now scroll down you see all product. So click on edit. So we are going to open two product. Now go to edit product and scroll down. In product data you see custom tabs. So click on it. Now you see we already created custom tab. You see tab title and then you see text. Also you see add a tab, add a save tab. So currently we don't add save tab because we not created in backend. In custom product tab in this section, so click on add a tab. So custom tab, so you can add title text according to your requirement and then click on update. Now product updated done. Now you see view product, so open it. Now scroll down you see custom tab we added. Back to another product, so we are in edit product and scroll down. We are in product data and then you see custom tab, so click on it. Now you see add a save tab, so click on it. Now you see no save tab were found. Now open it. So you can create tabs here and then you can use in product. Now click on add tab, title, text and then click on update. Now product updated done. On top you see view product, so open it. Now scroll down you see tab title and text. So you can create different custom tabs for different products with different content. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.